Hello and welcome to episode 30 of Buxton Barrow Man, where I go through Buxton's history and clean up the town at the same time. Today I'm at the world's largest Quarry Expo here at Hillhead, not too far away from Harper Hill. Most people who arrive at Hillhead are by car or helicopter, so I stood out like a sore thumb walking up. Nonetheless, entrance is completely free, and as a local I can still join in and browse like I have the money to afford one of these. There are over 600 exhibitors here showcasing absolutely everything in the quarrying, construction and recycling industries. This ranges from health and safety signs, concrete casts, crushing plants, excavators, lots and lots of excavators, and so much more. The site is huge, with it being on two sections at the top and the bottom of the quarry. It's so large it even has its own pub. There are four main demonstration lots with precision movement, JCB zone area, material handling, and the big one, hosting a full quarrying environment, which this year has a whole new rock face. As 10 weeks ago, Tarmac, who owned the site, blasted this area, producing 20,000 tonnes of runoff quarry stone for the demonstrators. Now, Hillhead as a quarry first opened at the start of the 1900s. It's a little hard to find a precise date, but at its peak Hillhead produced over 750,000 tonnes of aggregate a year, but it closed in 2002. Before its closure, however, in 1982 Hillhead Expo was founded, and the expo of course still takes place even after the site's retirement as a quarry. Interestingly, though, due to HS2, the quarry is now active again, hence the new blast, as the stone is now taken from here and sent by train down the line to Tunstead, where Tarmac's main kiln and manufacturing facilities are nearby. The quarry has also been a major depot for Lomas distribution for some time, as well as a road maintenance stockpile and an impound for the police. Last time, in 2022, Hillhead attracted over 18,000 visitors, but this year predicted to have over 20,000 visitors for the 3 days that is on. It's great to be able to see machinery and to be so close to things that are usually far from the public's eye. There appears to be a lot more agri-machinery this year, making me think that agriculture might play a larger role in the years to come at Hillhead. Volvo took the opportunity to show off their new electric and streamlined trucks this year alongside their heavy machinery. And speaking of trucks, I actually managed to see a Killarney lorry, which is really interesting. They are very rare, I mean, just look at it. Hillhead hosts the expo biannually, and I was lucky enough to go in 2022 as well as this year, and I'll leave a link down below to Elisa's video on Hillhead 22. I'll leave the video running with just some extra clips that I recorded before we get to the cleanup part at the end of the video. And as always, I've cleaned one wheelbarrow worth of rubbish off the streets. Hope you've enjoyed my coverage of Hillhead this year, and until next time, ta-ra. Yeah, you don't see an autonomous load it like that every day.